We're at A school in San Diego. Super cool. They actually recently been renovating here. They got some like IKEA ledges. We're sitting here at this really cool, starting here at this really cool abstract spot though.
Oh my goodness. So gnarly.
On the toe side.
The toe side, yeah.
It's like snowboarding. It's got to get to your toes, to your heels. It's a very like narrow run up, runaway.
Oh. Whoa.
Yeah, there's been spots in this school for so long. It's probably one of the oldest San Diego skate spot schools. We're gonna check out some other things. It's got this like IKEA bench in here. Whew. It's not really an IKEA bench, but it looks like it's like an IKEA skate park. We're gonna check that out too. And they got like a bump to, I don't know, they got all sorts of goodness here.
Oh!
He wanted to ride down the other way, but he rode back down to the ledge. It's crazy. Yeah, there's like a bump to dumpster spot here too. Really cool. Kyle's out here
Killing it. Our 40 plus crew. Oh, I count that all day. That's a make.
He rolled down. I think it was one of those spots like it's so hard. Like as long as you roll down, I would consider it a make. Oh yeah. Oh my.
It doesn't get more make than that.
Jeez. Yeah, that's a make. Wow, you good?
Dude, my shoulder has been like since this morning. It's like my elbow or something.
Wow. Yeah, he landed like 3 of those just like that too, into the grass. Very little room to roll away. It's almost like not even a full board long. It's kind of one of the spots that looks like it would belong in like Spain or maybe Europe because it's abstract architecture. Here normally you have very like linear architecture, so it's kind of cool. Oh, yeah. That's a cool trick. No apply, front shove. All right. You can't roll away any further, dude. This stuff right here, they call that grass. Jeez. What? What is that? Like bigger no comply or crazy? No comply bigger. It's like starting to sprinkle ever so slightly. Like it's, they're like very few far between, but they're like heavy. Oh yeah. That was pretty good. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Tap out. Ooh.
Look at that. My man.
I tried to.
Hey, yo, you're like Christopher Columbus over here discovering shit.
Christopher.
Pond. Woo! Wow. Yeah, you got it. Once you get the good, just a good setup. You have to like land right there and then ollie right there.
Really quick feet, quick snaps.
Oh. Woo! Yeah. Sit. That was rad.
Dude, that was perfect.
My guy.
How you do it. Period. You fucking did that so good.
So you ollied out, dude.
Yeah, that was so sick. So
I love how you just pulled over and you're like, all right.
I was like, dude, this looks sick as fuck.
Everyone was just skating through the school, going to the spot. Garza pulls over. He's like, "Whoa, check this thing out." It's actually kind of scary. Gets off pretty tall. Look at this. This is my kind of spot though, because you don't have to ollie. You just got to ride into it. Yeah.
day.
That's it.
Yeah, Matt. Oh, yeah, Matt.
Pop out. Oh, shit, that was it.
Hey, we didn't consider shove out.
Yup.
Wow.
Perfect.
You're like, I'm gonna do a flip check. Ah, never mind. Fuck yeah, Matt.
Having a lot of fun just following these guys around the school right now. They're killing it. Matt just got that no comply tail slide. That was amazing. So yeah, I probably won't be skating too much. Follow these guys on Instagram. I'll leave all their handles down in the description and in the video. Go support them and their skateboarding so that they'll allow me to keep filming them too, because it's just a good day. I love these days. They're the fun. Just out here with the boys, mashing around. These guys were hyped on a skate spot, but really they're hyped on koi fish.
Turtles. Oh, is it turtles?
There's turtles.
Oh no. Okay. Actually, never mind. Yeah, I fuck with this spot.
Look at this.
Oh my! This is my new favorite skate spot.
For real.
Yo, Ozone, what you doing? My turtle used to be named Ozone.
Really?
Yeah.
You got a turtle before?
Yep.
Grab him, Dave. This guy's huge. Dude, he came right up to me, too.
So many, dude. They're really cool looking. Oh dang! They're just getting the angles.
Dude, I gotta get some fish, dude. They're pretty.
Ah,
That one's just chilling.
that's the
That one's chilling. Just floating.
just chilling. Yeah, that's my guy right there.
He's moving now.
More importantly, there's turtles here. There's a cool spot, but turtles. It's like the street skaters pole coping. Woo!
Crazy angle.
I feel like I'm gonna get it.
Oh, you dirty dog. Oh, you dirty dog.
Better do that. Oh, you sly dirty dog.
Oh, have a seat.
Zach, give me a fucking.
He's officially back, baby.
That was first go.
You're not supposed to be doing that.
I got backside tricks.
Damn, fuck yeah.
Yeah, it just started raining like weird chunky rains. It's a little scary.
Fuck yeah. That one was money.
So good, dude.
Money.
So we just got to the next school and more skate park action going on. I hadn't been here in so long, like 10 plus years probably. No, actually not that long, probably like 3 years, but it's just crazy like how fast they develop in the schools. Like look at this thing.
Check this spot out, yeah? Get that little